Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of welding safety with a review of the top 5 best auto-darkening welding helmets on the market. Whether you're a professional welder or a hobbyist, the right helmet can make all the difference in your work quality and safety. Let's break down the pros and cons of each model to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the KeyGree LYG-M800H-L auto-darkening welding helmet. The KeyGree LYG-M800H-L auto-darkening welding helmet is designed to enhance the welding experience by offering superior visibility, comfort, and protection. With its advanced true color technology, large viewing area, and multiple adjustments for comfort, this helmet aims to be a top choice for both professional welders and hobbyists. Below, we explore the pros and cons of the KeyGree LYG-M800H-L to help you decide if it's the right fit for your welding needs. Pros: true color technology for enhanced visibility. One of the standout features of the KeyGree LYG-M800H-L is its true color technology. This upgrade significantly improves visibility by reducing the traditional lime green tint commonly found in welding helmet view screens. The result is a clearer, more natural view, akin to looking through a clear window, which reduces eye strain and enhances precision during welding tasks. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who spend extended periods under the helmet. Large viewing area. The KeyGree LYG-M800H-L boasts an impressive viewing size of 100 x 93 mm, providing a super large filter area. This large view ensures that welders have a better and broader perspective of their work, which is crucial for precision and safety. The helmet's 4 premium sensors further enhance visibility by ensuring a responsive and accurate auto-darkening function. Versatility across welding applications. This helmet is suitable for various welding processes including TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma applications. Additionally, it features a grinding mode, making it a versatile tool that can be used for different tasks in a welding environment. This adaptability makes the KeyGree LYG-M800H-L a valuable addition to any welder's toolkit. Cons: bulkier design. While the large viewing area and robust construction are advantages, they may also contribute to a slightly bulkier design. Some users might find the helmet heavier than other models, which could cause discomfort during long periods of continuous use, especially if not adjusted properly. The KeyGree LYG-M800H-L auto-darkening welding helmet offers an impressive combination of advanced visibility, comfort, and versatility. Its true color technology and large viewing area make it an excellent choice for those who need precise and clear vision during welding tasks. While it may be bulkier and more feature-rich than necessary for casual users, it is an ideal investment for professionals and serious enthusiasts who prioritize quality and reliability in their welding gear. Coming in at number 4, we have the Deko MZ224 auto-darkening welding helmet. The Deko MZ224 auto-darkening welding helmet is designed to offer robust eye protection, comfort, and adaptability, making it a suitable choice for both professional welders and hobbyists. With features like fast auto-darkening, customizable settings, and a comfortable design, this helmet aims to provide an all-around efficient and safe welding experience. Below, we explore the pros and cons of the Deko MZ224 to help you assess if it meets your welding needs. Pros: ultimate eye protection. The Deko MZ224 prioritizes eye safety with its auto-darkening filter, which switches from light to dark in just 1/15,000th of a second. This rapid transition ensures that your eyes are protected immediately when welding begins, reducing the risk of flash burns and other eye injuries. Even in the event of electrical failure, the helmet maintains UV and IR protection, adhering to Shade 16 standards. This high level of protection meets the rigorous ANSI 7.1-2010 and N3794-913 safety standards, making it a smart choice for those who prioritize safety. Versatile and adaptable. The helmet is equipped with sensitivity and delay settings that allow you to customize its performance based on different welding environments and task durations. This adaptability ensures that you can fine-tune the helmet's response to suit various conditions, enhancing visibility and color recognition. The light level of the filter is set at DIN4, with a customizable transition time from dark to bright states ranging from 0.1 to 1.0 seconds. Cons: limited viewing area. While the viewing area of 3.62 x 1.65 is sufficient for many tasks, it is smaller compared to other helmets on the market that offer larger viewing screens. Welders who prefer a more expansive field of view might find this limitation restrictive, especially when working on larger projects that require a broader perspective. The Deko MZ224 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet offers a well-rounded package of protection, comfort, and versatility at an affordable price point. Its rapid auto-darkening response, customizable settings, and lightweight design make it a practical choice for both professional and amateur welders. At number 3, the Safe Up UN109 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Safe Up UN109 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is engineered to provide comprehensive protection and enhance comfort for welders. Designed with advanced auto-darkening technology and a unique headband mechanism, this helmet aims to reduce fatigue and improve safety. Below, we explore the pros and cons of the Safe Up UN109 to help you decide if it meets your welding needs. Pros: reliable auto-darkening technology. The Safe Up UN109 is equipped with an advanced auto-darkening filter that automatically transitions from a light state to a dark state as soon as an arc is struck, and returns to the light state when welding stops. The speed of this transition is impressive, with the filter changing in just 1/25,000th of a second, providing immediate protection for the eyes. This feature is crucial for preventing eye strain and ensuring consistent safety during welding tasks. Enhance comfort with innovative headband mechanism. One of the standout features of the Safe Up UN109 is its specially designed headband mechanism. This mechanism allows the helmet's gravity center to align with the center of the welder's head when the helmet is flipped up. By lowering the helmet's gravity center, this design significantly reduces head fatigue, making it more comfortable for welders to wear the helmet for extended periods. This thoughtful design improvement is particularly beneficial for professionals who spend long hours under the helmet. Adjustable sensitivity and delay settings. The Safe Up UN109 offers customizable sensitivity and delay settings, allowing users to tailor the helmet's performance to their specific needs. The sensitivity setting can be adjusted to respond to different light levels, making the helmet versatile for various welding environments. Comprehensive protection. This helmet is designed to protect the welder's face and eyes from sparks, spatter, and harmful radiation under normal welding conditions. The auto-darkening filter effectively shields the eyes from intense light and UV IR radiation, enhancing safety and reducing the risk of long-term damage. Cons: basic optical clarity. The optical clarity of the Safe Up UN109 is effective but might not be as high quality as some premium models. For welders who prioritize ultra-clear, distortion-free views, this helmet might not meet the highest standards of visual clarity. This could be a consideration for those who need precise visibility for intricate work. The Safe Up UN109 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is a solid choice for welders who value safety, comfort, and adaptability. Its fast auto-darkening response, innovative headband mechanism, and adjustable settings make it a practical tool for a variety of welding tasks. While it may have some limitations, such as a smaller viewing area and basic optical clarity, it offers reliable performance for most welding applications. For those looking for a balance of protection and comfort at a reasonable price, the Safe Up UN109 is worth considering. In the second spot, we have the Hitbox HB555 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Hitbox HB555 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is designed to meet the needs of professional welders and hobbyists alike. With advanced features such as a large viewing area, true color technology, and versatile application compatibility, this helmet offers both safety and comfort. Below, we examine the pros and cons of the Hitbox HB555 to help you determine if it's the right choice for your welding projects. Pros: super large viewing area. One of the standout features of the Hitbox HB555 is its large field of view, measuring 3.9 x 3.1 inches. This extensive viewing area enhances application versatility and increases productivity by allowing welders to see more of their work without needing to constantly adjust their position. It provides a clear and wide perspective, which is particularly beneficial for complex welding tasks. Comfortable and ergonomic design. The Hitbox HB555 is designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring that it is comfortable to wear even during long welding sessions. The headband features a gear-adjusting knob that allows users to easily adjust the tightness, ensuring a secure fit that won't loosen over time. The inclusion of thickened sponge padding on the forehead adds to the comfort, providing cushioning and preventing perspiration from becoming an issue. Advanced performance features. This helmet is equipped with 4 premium redundant arc sensors that offer highly responsive detection and control. These sensors provide super-fast switching times and accurate auto-shading, minimizing harmful radiant bypass and reducing eye stress. The helmet's sensitivity adjustment feature allows it to adapt to various ambient conditions, making it suitable for a wide range of welding applications. Cons. Bulkier design. Given its large viewing area and additional protective features, the Hitbox HB555 has a bulkier design compared to more streamlined helmets. This may not be ideal for users who prefer a more compact and lightweight option, especially in tight working spaces. The Hitbox HB555 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is a well-rounded and feature-rich option for welders seeking enhanced visibility, comfort, and versatility. Its large viewing area, true color technology, and advanced performance features make it a top choice for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. And finally, at number 1, we have the Andeli Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Andeli Auto Darkening Welding Helmet offers a blend of comfort, advanced features, and expansive visibility, making it an appealing option for both professional welders and hobbyists. Below, we delve into the pros and cons of this welding helmet to help you determine if it meets your needs. Pros. Comfortable headgear. One of the key features of the Andeli Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is its emphasis on comfort. The helmet comes with cushioned front and rear headbands designed to reduce pressure points on the head. This design helps to distribute the weight of the helmet evenly, reducing the strain on the user's head and neck during extended periods of use. The enhanced wrapping and cushioning contribute to a more comfortable experience, especially for those who need to wear the helmet for long hours. 180 deg large viewing area. The helmet offers an impressive 180 deg large viewing area, which is a significant advantage for welders who need a comprehensive view of their work environment. The wide field of vision not only improves situational awareness but also allows for more precise welding, as users can easily see their workpiece and surroundings without constantly adjusting their position. Auto darkening feature. Like most modern welding helmets, the Andeli is equipped with an auto darkening filter that automatically adjusts from a light to a dark state when welding begins. This feature provides essential eye protection from harmful UV and IR radiation and ensures that the user's vision is not impaired by sudden changes in light intensity. The auto darkening feature is especially useful for welders who work on a variety of tasks and need quick and reliable adjustments in shading. Cons. Weight considerations. While the helmet's large viewing area and additional protective features are advantageous, they may also contribute to a heavier overall weight. Some users might find the helmet slightly heavier than other models, which could lead to discomfort during prolonged use. Although the headgear is designed for comfort, the added weight might still be a concern for those who prefer lightweight options. The Andeli Auto Darkening Welding Helmet stands out for its comfort and expansive 180 deg viewing area, making it a strong contender for welders who prioritize visibility and ergonomic design. The cushioned headgear and large field of view are significant advantages, particularly for those who spend long hours welding.